As the whole world has become wary of the developments in the US-China trade war front, finally, there is a positive light on that issue. After choosing China as its first manufacturing unit outside the United States, Tesla has inked a loan agreement worth 9 billion BRL recently. As per Tesla's official confirmation, the 9 billion loan facility will be a secured one, and along with it, another billion unsecured loan agreement has also been inked. The company confirmed that both the loan facilities would be used for Tesla's Shanghai car plant. As per the loan filing of Tesla, the lenders include China Construction Bank Corporation, Agricultural Bank of China, Shanghai Pudong Development Bank, and Industrial and Commercial Bank of China. It should be noted that Tesla is due to. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.